Do you think labs should be free to do repairs on their own laboratory equipment? Or do you think that the manufacturer needs to be called in order to make any repairs? There's obviously plus and minuses on both sides, but over the years, we've certainly tended towards the empowering the laboratory to do the repairs themselves, because this certainly can only reduce downtime, as well as teaching, graduate students and others about what's inside of the instrument and how it all works and how to make it work better. So the idea of opening up an instrument and replacing a lamp, a circuit card, a detector, if that kind of thing appeals to you, you're probably really frustrated by some of the appliance manufacturing companies that are out there that basically void the warranty if you want to do this. And if you're like, my people are really smart, they're quite capable of following instructions and making the repairs themselves, then you might be interested in a company like Olis, where we empower our clients to maintain, repair, and customize, perhaps even upcycling their own equipment in time. So if this is something of interest, I'd love to hear from you.